Hello friends, today is day 24 of our 30-day declutter and we're going to talk about a Sunday basket. Do y'all have the same issue with mail that we have? We just seem to have an overabundance of mail. We do have 3 adults that live in the house. So yes, we're going to have, a lot of mail, but it just seems excessive, the types of things that they send to us, especially all the junk mail that I end up having to throw away. Anyways, I've implemented the Sunday basket. I've done this for quite some time. Have you ever heard of the Sunday basket? I learned about it years ago from Kimmie Hughes. She has the channel. She's in her Apron. Well, once I learned about the Sunday basket, I'm like, oh, this is a great idea. So what I do during the week is when the mail comes in, I will divide it up. I'll put my mother-in-law who lives in the casita down the hall. I'll put hers in a pile. I'll put mine in a pile, and then I put mine and my husband's in another pile. And in mine and my husband's, I go ahead and I put it in the Sunday basket. That way, on Sundays or whatever day, it's just called a Sunday basket, but I don't know who made the name up. But I hand my husband the Sunday basket, and he goes through that mail and gets rid of whatever we don't need and all that. If I don't do this, the mail will pile up high. The man does not like to open the mail. He despises opening the mail. So I have to almost force it by handing him the Sunday basket. Now, I go ahead and I open my mail up. If it just has my name on it, I open it up. If it's both of our names, I allow him to open it up, and then we can discuss whatever it is that's in there. Anyway, so then once I get mine opened up and whatever I don't want, and if it's got important numbers on it, I go ahead and I just run it through the shredder. And I've got a really good shredder. It's the kind that cross hatchets it. So there's no way of putting these numbers back together if somebody were to get in our trash and get it. Here it is right here. I bought one of these for my mother when she was alive, and I've had this one for many years. I'll link this one down below if you're looking for a good shredder. So that's how the Sunday basket works. Let me know how you deal with all the mail that you get in. Do you do a Sunday basket, or do you do something a little different? I'm very interested in learning about it. Okay, friends, I'm going to see you again in tomorrow's video, and if you have any other ideas of places to declutter, let me know down in the comment box. All right, friends, stay blessed.